Hey guys, in this video you will find the unboxing of the Deloitte goodies. In this unboxing initially you will find the Deloitte badge which was given. In the Deloitte playlist I have already provided how to track your order. So these goodies are provided for the 2023 selected batch students, and this Deloitte kit was sent to all the selected students. So this is a pouch, you can hold all the small things in it. And the next one is like a cup, you can use it to drink drinks. And this cup is given with a lid to close. And the next one is Deloitte diary. You can write it your plans, schedules, or anything that you want to make the note. So you can use it. So this is the Deloitte diary. And the next one is the bag. Like you can store any type of items or anything whatever you want. So this is not like college bag or laptop bag. So this is just to store some items or any materials into it. So in this kit they have provided us a bag and a cup and a badge and a small pouch to hold the items, and as well as a diary. So the 5 items are provided in this kit. In the playlist of Deloitte in our channel, I have provided all the information related to the Deloitte hiring process. Do check it out.